So what we want from this box is a floor plan. If you recall, a floor plan is what, 4 foot above the finished floor. So if we go ahead and do a clipping plane, let me activate that clipping plane. So the interior box right here, if I raise this up 4 foot, that should be a floor plan. Okay. So we're going to activate that clipping plane in the top view as well. Alright, so we took this up 4 foot, and so that's what the plan should look like. This is a perspective view of it. What we're going to do is to take this floor plan that we created, and we're going to export and import these information into AutoCAD. So this instruction basically is for taking whatever models that you created in Rhino, making it into a 2D object, and then importing it into AutoCAD so that we could draft in that set program. So what we want from here is just a make 2D view. So we can say make 2D. I'm going to select the top view and enter. I usually do not group the output. I just leave everything alone and then say OK. And it should give me the exact same floor plan but in a 2D view. Okay. So you could start to clean this up here or in AutoCAD itself, but what we're going to do is to use this object right here and export it into AutoCAD. Okay.